This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credits goes to him. Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Super Mario Edition, Nintendo Switch. So without any delay, let's see our new Super Mario Nintendo Switch. Whoa, look at this, such a unique packaging. It looks like it's made out of Mario's clothing. Okay, I know this is not the right way to describe it, but I can't think anything else right now, so yeah. It looks like this to me, so what? Let's unbox our new Nintendo Switch. In the box we get HDMI cable and charger, Super Mario Bros. Movies miniature poster and Super Mario character stickers. Nintendo Switch dock. You can decorate this with stickers. Joy-Cons. And this new Super Mario Edition OLED Nintendo Switch. Super Mario Odyssey game copy. Let's install this game and start playing, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.